as a person, what makes you special?
My spell, uh, my specialty is uh, as a person.
Mm-hmm.
I am like a little child.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Innocent.
in a sense, and whichever child or children, and I like to contact with each other
Okay.
and make it special, and I like social networking
Mm-hmm.
in the family, so that to create myself for itself.
Why do you think you need speech therapy?
Uh, I need because of in that I need because I have I have confidence, but inside it is very much confidence, but outside it is not coming.
So,
Mm,
what you
In
mean
me
to say is,
in the simple way, I
mm-hmm.
can say that in the heart
Hmm.
I have very much confidence.
Okay.
I have very much confidence. I know I can do it anything.
Hmm.
But in outside,
Hmm.
if you say that you should do this, you should do this, you should do this,
Mm-hmm.
then in outcome I can't do this.
Okay.
And if anyone say that to get up early, that I can't do it.
Okay.
So that I want to change myself,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to change in myself and change in mind also, so that to become up to date, to become in uh, in whichever in life, whatever life is going on, in what I want to become in that.
What do you expect from me? How do you think I can help you?
You can you can help me. You are like a god in my life, if I can say.
Why do you say that?
Because
क्योंकि अंकल आंटी की हीलिंग तो परसों हुई है.
वो तो है, लेकिन because I know I am also a doctor, I am also a dentist, so I have seen at least 200 to 300 patients.
Wow. Okay.
So I know the nature of the patient, and what the expression they are, and what the expression they want to see from doctor also, and what I can do. I can do best for patient.
Mm-hmm.
So I know communication with them. After that, getting from that, I become from that people like people nowadays. Patients are like that. No one will be busy from. No one is busy, so that if I come, simple that in simple you can say that if you are coming from my side, and I am not doing your help, and I am busy with another work. In that way, patient will say that you are not looking for me, you are looking for another.
Right.
So that's why I'm thinking that so that to become a that.
But in what way do you think I will be able to help you?
Uh,
It is good to set expectations, right? If you're clear with your expectations, it would make sense. We are recording this as a pre training evaluation just to understand that do you really need speech therapy? A. B. Do you know that you need you need somebody to help you or coach you in building your confidence, which can easily happen if you do mirror activity or if you talk to people and if you video record yourself. Then why do you need a mentor or a coach who can do a hand holding for you? Why me? You must have observed something, right? Or only because your mother said कि दीदी सिखाने वाली है and you are here for the session. Is that so?
No,
Okay.
I wanted to become a maturing mind.
Okay. So your father is mature enough, like वो तो ज्ञान का भंडार है. Whenever you talk to him, he's like an encyclopedia.
I know that,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to become a more mature than you.
Wow. Okay. So I take it as a compliment.
Hmm.
Thank you. And do you promise me that in next 15 days, we will have session each day for you, 1 hour per day? Speech therapy will do, accent neutralization, tongue twister, confidence building, presentation, video recording. 15 days is the time span that we have. Okay. And I'm taking this as an experiment in Patna. You're my first student individually. Okay. So you have to ensure that you really learn and practice.
Yes, I'm sure.
You promise me that.
Yes, I promise.
Perfect. Thank you so much.